Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah.
Oh, y'all, I had to show y'all this garlic butter spaghetti with the cheesy ground beef and spinach. Bit, that shit was so damn good. Oh, let me show y'all how I made this bad boy. All right, y'all, I'm gonna start off with some ground meat. I got beef right here. You can use whatever you want. Italian sausage, pork, hell, turkey, whatever you like. Go ahead and get you a skillet hot. Get you some olive oil in there. But you know I'm about to use this cast iron skillet. I love me a good cast iron. Get your meat in there and brown it up real good, y'all. Make sure you season it too, y'all. I got me some beef bouillon right here, complete seasoning, a little Italian seasonings. Yeah, finish that up, drain that meat and set it to the side. Okay, we're gonna use the same skillet, y'all. You can wipe out some of that grease though with a little paper towel or something. Go ahead and get some butter in there, and I'm finna grate some garlic in here. Fresh garlic, oh Lord, with some pasta, baby. I'm grating 4 cloves of garlic. You can do what you want. And I ain't talking about no whole bunch of garlic powder either. Bitch, I'm talking about some real fresh garlic cloves. Go ahead and get you some spinach. This right here, some frozen spinach, y'all. There ain't no fresh spinach. Watch out. Go ahead and get you some spinach. Get in there with that garlic and that butter. Okay, once that's cooked up and you smell that garlic, come on in with that spaghetti sauce, baby. Look, you can make your own spaghetti sauce if you want to. I don't got time for that shit today. So this is what we have, and all you gotta do is spruce it up a little bit. I already added the garlic, the spinach, some seasoning, baby. Come on, a little onion powder, garlic powder, complete seasoning, some beef bouillon. But I added a little sugar. Now that's anytime you're making some spaghetti, y'all. Anything with tomato sauce, if you add a little sugar, baby, it'll balance it out just right. Yeah, let that cook down for a minute. It's looking like this, y'all. I like mine chunky. Hell, make yours how you want. But this finna be fire with that spinach, that garlic.
Okay, now add a little heavy whipping cream.
It ain't nothing better than a little creamy pasta sauce. Just a little bit though, like 1/4 cup. You feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese in here. So at the end of the day, it's like a little Alfredo sauce mixed with tomato spaghetti sauce. Okay? Yeah, it's pretty much a vodka sauce without the vodka. Look at that bad boy. Okay, now we adding that ground meat back in the pan with the sauce, y'all. Oh, this gonna be meaty, cheesy, garlicky. Yeah, give it a good mix. I say give it a good 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Just let all the flavors merge together. Once that's done, set that aside. We're gonna get this pasta in here, y'all. Now this angel hair pasta. I love me some angel hair pasta with spaghetti. But again, do what you wanna do. This sauce is foolproof, baby, so it don't matter what kind of noodles you use. It's gonna be fire. I put a little olive oil and complete seasoning in these noodles, y'all, just to loosen them up a little bit, flavor them up a little bit. Then we're gonna go ahead and plate them. Get that good ass sauce right on top of them noodles, y'all. Oh yes, ma'am, and yes, sir. Throw some Parmesan cheese right on top. But I'm finna come through with the mozzarella cheese, y'all. Y'all ain't even know. We're gonna throw this in the oven on a low broil. And bitch, look at that bad boy. So good. I'm literally finna tear this up. I probably ain't gonna eat the whole thing, but baby, believe me, I'm gonna try. Look at that. Yes. Throw a little parsley and Parmesan on top. Oh, it's looking like this. Oh, and it smells so damn good with all that garlic. Look, y'all, like, share, subscribe. Look at that damn cheese. You know the motherfucking vibe. She in the kitchen and she whipping.